let me show you how to get notifications on Slack from a form submission. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jotform, and on this video, I'm going to show you how to get notifications on Slack from a form submission. That means that we're going to be able to get notified on a private, public channel, and even a chat message. So let's get started. This is my Jotform dashboard, and we need to get started with a form that we want to get those notifications. So in this case, I'm going to use this one, which is a simple Jotform application. Let's go ahead and edit this form. And this could be a really good use case where someone fills out a job application and we are going to get notified. Okay, so we're going to jump into the settings tab, and on the left, there's an option that says notifications. Let's go ahead and select it. And then we are going to select Slack, and we have three available options. We can send messages to a public channel, a private channel, and send a chat message. Let's go ahead and show you all three of these. Okay, so let's get started with the send message to a public channel. Let's go ahead and select it, hit next, and then we need to integrate a Jotform with Slack. So you have the option to use an existing account or connect to a brand new account. In this case, you'll need the subdomain for the Slack account that you have. Go ahead and continue and accept the authentication from Jotform and Slack. Once you do that, you'll be able to view your account just like this. Go ahead and authenticate again. Here we go. And now we need to select the channel that we want to send out the notification to. Be aware that this is the public channel. So go ahead and select the public channel. In this case, I'm going to use this one that I have in my Slack account. Here it is, my Jotform chat. This one is the public chat. Okay. Now we need to customize the message title for that notification. In this case, this is, for example, a new submission for, and it's using the form title. And I'm going to use another slash here, and I'm going to use the form field here. So in this case, I'm going to select the full name, and I'm also going to select from the field, in this case, for example, the position applied. So from the title, I can clearly view the notification is with specific form from the name and the position applied. So I know if it's going to apply for me to view that message notification in case it's a public channel or a private channel. So it helps me out know what the submission is about. Then we have the actual message that we're going to receive. Now we can select all the fields that we want to have in that notification. For example, I want to know the full name. I want to know the email address, the position applied, and the upload your resume. So those are the things that I want to know in the notification. Yes, there are more fields in the form, but it's up to you what you want to get in that notification. So maybe I just want to have a quick overview of that new submission. Then we have the option to view the submission. So it adds a button in Slack where we can click on it and it jumps into that specific submission and we can view everything there. And there's also the option to edit submission. I'm going to enable both so you see how they reflect in the notification, okay? Then we also have the option to send a new message when a submission is edited. So if someone edits the message, it's going to send a brand new notification. So it's up to you if you want to keep that on or off, okay? Let's go ahead and save. Here we go. We now have a new notification for Slack. Let's go ahead and test this out. Let's go into preview the form. Let's fill out the form with demo data. Let's send this out. Here we go. There we go. Let's go into Slack, and we just got a brand new message. So we got the title, which is the new submission for the title of the form, the test name, in this case, it's just a text box, and the job position. Okay, so it's marketing specialist in this case. Then we have the details that I requested from that form. So full name, email, and the position applied. Plus, we also get two buttons that I enabled on the notification option on Jotform. So we can view the submission. So let's go ahead and click on this right now. And it takes us straight to the submission, and we can view every single detail from that submission. Here we go. And there's also the edit submission option. This takes us to the form where we can edit each one of these options manually right here. In case we need to update something, this is useful depending on your use case, okay? So it's super easy and practical to send it over to a public channel. Now, let's test out the notification for the private channel, okay? So let's go ahead and come back over here. Let's go ahead and remove this notification. Here we go. Let's go ahead and select Slack again. This time we want to send out to a private channel. Let's go ahead and select this. Let's hit next. Let's again connect to authenticate if you haven't done so. And if you've done so already, you'll see your account right here. Let's go ahead and continue. Then we need to select the private channel that we want to send out notifications to. So in this case, I want to send it to Jotform private, which is a private channel that I've created on my Slack account. There's a small difference with the private channel. We need to send out a specific message to invite Jotform. Remember, this is a private channel. It's not public. You can't just jump in there and send out a message. So we need to invite Jotform to receive these messages, okay? So let's go into Slack. Let's go into the private channel that I've created. You can see it has a little lock right here because that's a private channel. I need to paste in this option here and I'm gonna send it out, and it now invites Jotform. So Jotform is already invited to this channel. Here we go. We are now able to receive notifications. Okay, so let's continue with the setup. So next we need to set up the message title. In this case, I'm gonna keep it more simple. I'm just gonna set, for example, the submission ID / and the position applied. Okay, then we have the fields for the message. Again, I'm gonna select several of these just to show you how it's going to reflect. Here we go. In this case, I will not enable the view submission and the edit submission just to show you that we're not going to get those buttons anymore. So let's go ahead and save. Let's go ahead and test this out. Here we go. Let's fill it out with demo data. Let's send it out now. Here we go. Let's go into Slack. And here we go. We just got the brand new notification here on Slack on the private channel. Remember, if you don't invite Jotform, you will not get notifications. So be sure to invite them when it's a private channel, okay? Next, I'm gonna show you the chat message. So let's go ahead and remove this notification. Let's start off a new notification. In this case, I want to send a chat message. Let's hit next. Again, go through the authentication process, connect Jotform with Slack, okay? In this case, we're gonna select an existing account. Let's continue. Then we need to select the channel where we want to send out that chat message. In this case, I'm gonna send it out to myself, in this case. Then I need to customize the title, the message. In this case, I'm gonna keep it simple, just email and the full name. And I'm gonna have the options to edit and view submissions. Let's go ahead and save. Let's preview this again. Let's add the demo data. Let's send this off. Here we go. And let's go into Slack. Here we go. I just got a brand new message on a chat message. So it kicked off a chat message. This is not a channel, it's a chat message. So here we go. From Jotform, I received this right now and it's sending me this submission. So you have 3 available options for the notifications here on Slack. So if you want to send this off to a public channel, to a private channel, or a chat message, it's up to you how you want to receive these notifications. But it's super easy to integrate Jotform with Slack. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for an account on Jotform and kick off your integration to get notifications from Jotform and Slack. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the notifications on Slack and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.